Hello friends, continuing our mining and industrial series. Then Baku, Azerbaijan, crude oil. Ruhr, Westphalia, Germany, it is coal. Mesabi, US, iron. Then Kuzbass, Russia, coal. Maracaibo, Venezuela, crude oil. Then Kalgoorlie, Australia, gold and nickel. Kalgoorlie, Australia, gold and nickel. Chukwi Kamata, Chile. Chukwi Kamata, it is Chile, it is copper. Broken Hills, Australia, zinc, silver, lead. Broken Hills, Australia, zinc, silver, lead. Kryvyi Rog, Ukraine, iron. Magnitogorsk, it is Russia, magnetite. Texas, Louisiana, US, oil and sulfur. Lorraine, France, iron. Saar, Germany, France, coal. Carajás, Brazil, iron. There are certain industries you have very much sure about the industries as well as the cities associated. Ahmedabad, cotton textile. Asan, China, iron and steel. Baku, Azerbaijan, petroleum. Belfast, Ireland, shipbuilding. Birmingham, UK, iron and steel. Cardiff, Spain, cork. Chicago, US, meat packing. Dhaka, Bangladesh, muslin. Darjeeling, India, tea processing. Detroit, US, automobile. Firozabad, India, glass. Havana, Cuba, cigars. Hollywood, USA, films. Jamshedpur, India, iron and steel. Kansas City, US, meat packing. Kawasaki, Japan, iron and steel. Kimberley, South Africa, diamond mining. Let's do a quick recap what we studied. Baku, crude oil. Ruhr, coal. Mesabi, US, iron. Kuzbass, coal. Maracaibo, crude oil. Kalgoorlie, Australia, gold and nickel. Chukwi Kamata, Chile, copper. Broken Hills, Australia, zinc, silver, lead. Kryvyi Rog, iron. Magnitogorsk, Russia, magnetite. Texas, Louisiana, oil and sulfur. Lorraine, France, iron. Saar, Germany, France, coal. Carajás, Brazil, iron. Ahmedabad, cotton textile. Asan, China, iron steel. Baku, Azerbaijan, petroleum. Belfast, Ireland, shipbuilding. Birmingham, UK, iron and steel. Cardiff, Spain, cork. Chicago, US, meat packing. Dhaka, Bangladesh, muslin. Darjeeling, India, tea processing. Detroit, US, automobile. Firozabad, India, glass. Havana, Cuba, cigars. Hollywood, US, films. Jamshedpur, India, iron and steel. Kansas City, US, meat packing. Kawasaki, Japan, iron and steel. Kimberley, South Africa, diamond mining. So this was all about geography. Thank you very much.